Oh, it's a mushroom.
What? Daddy
Mushroom. Mushroom.
What?
Where's Olivia? Where's Olivia? What do you say?
Peekaboo.
What are you eating? What is that? Oh.
Carrot.
Carrots. She's eating carrots. You want to say, hey, BB family, what's up? 1, 2, 3. Hey, BB family, what's up? And welcome back to our channel. Say, how are you?
How are you?
How have you been?
How are you been?
I know it's still technically winter, but I have been craving a really good salad lately. Pika? What? Oh, you want me to look over here? Okay. So, where's Olivia? Does anybody know where Olivia is? Where is Olivia?
Korea.
Olivia's here.
Peekaboo.
Hi. I see you. Oh. Oh, there she goes again.
This one, yeah?
This is a mushroom.
This one, too.
This is a mushroom, yeah.
This. That's a mushroom. That's cut.
Cut, that's right. We're gonna cut it, that's right. Very good. When I find myself craving salad, I also find that I really miss American salad dressings. And, oh, no, don't like that. That's not like that. So, as I was saying, yeah, I have been craving salads. One of the salad dressings that I've really been craving that they don't have in Japan is honey mustard dressing. Olivia, you're eating all the carrots. Are you eating all the carrots? Yeah. And here's the thing about honey mustard dressing. It's super easy to make. Where's Olivia? Oh, what? You what? Oh, okay. Hey, where is Olivia? Does anybody know where Olivia is? Where is Olivia? Ooh, you scared mommy. You scared me. One more, okay. So, as I was saying, oh, wait a minute. Where is Olivia? Ooh, woo, you scared mommy. You scared mommy. Really, these videos should take like 5 minutes to make and yet they don't. Yeah, so honey mustard dressing. I see you. This is gonna be a long video.
Peekaboo.
I see you.
Peekaboo. I see you.
Oh yeah, I see you. She can probably do this all day.
Peekaboo.
I see you. Yeah, so honey mustard dressing is really, really easy to make. There are actually 2 ways to make it. One uses American mayonnaise, something like this, Best Foods, which you can't get in Japan. If you're wondering, how on earth am I going to use this much mayonnaise? Just follow our channel because I use this in a lot of recipes. The other way to make honey mustard dressing is to use cooking oil instead of mayonnaise. I'm in the mood today for a pretty fancy salad. So I've got a lot of nice ingredients. We're just gonna put those together and then make the honey mustard dressing. Olivia, do you wanna get started? Let's put some lettuce on here like this. Right, just like that. Can you pat this dry? We need to pat this dry. Pat, 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 pat. You be in charge of holding this for mommy.
Okay.
Okay, and mommy's gonna cut up the lettuce really fast. Which one? This one?
No, that one.
This one. Which one? Moiko no hasami? Oh, knife?
Yeah.
No, knife is just for mommy. Here, can you put your hands down while mommy chops this? Can you put the lettuce in there?
Okay.
Okay, now mommy's gonna cut up some spinach. Whoops. Okay. Can you pat the spinach dry also? Let's pat this dry. Remember, pat, pat, pat. Okay, mommy's gonna cut it now, so can you put your hands down? Good girl, very good. A lot of you ask me if you need to use special salad spinach. In America, we use regular spinach for salads. We eat it raw, just like this. And Taka's sister, who's a nutritionist, has also said that it is okay to eat spinach raw, even if it's not salad spinach. Very carefully, okay. Look how good that looks. Oh, I love salad. Okay. For the salad, this is what we're gonna be using. Broccoli. Yes, we have some broccoli, steamed broccoli. Okay. This is broccoli, right? It's very healthy. What are these?
Tomato.
Yeah, we have some tomatoes. We have some alfalfa sprouts. By the way, if you're pregnant, you should not be eating these. They have apparently a certain bacteria or something, or they're prone to getting a certain bacteria. I'm not quite sure. But in America, pregnant women stay away from sprouts like this. We have some mushrooms. We call these button mushrooms. We have some mushrooms. Oh, we have some grapes. Olivia's been eyeing these the whole time. We have this one. We have some. We have some this one. We have some carrots. We have some black olives. We have some baby corn. Yeah. We have some red onion.
Where are they?
Okay. Can you make a salad for mommy and one for daddy? These grapes have seeds in them, okay?
Yeah.
So we go, oh, see? Do you see that? So we have to remove the seeds. Can you try to remove the seed and put it there? Yeah, it's hard. I'll help you. Okay, all right, you can have one more. Olivia, how about some cheese?
Cheese?
Yes.
What? Yeah.
Yeah. Why don't you sprinkle some cheese on there? Okay, sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle. Sprinkle. Oh, that looks lovely, Olivia. That looks delicious. This is what the salad looks like. This is. This is a grape. And this is a grape. Now we're gonna make the... Are you giving me kisses? Oh, she does this. She's so cute. Getting kisses.
Hi, Pee Papa.
Now for the fun part, the salad dressing. What? She's trying to climb on me. You can't climb on mommy. You can't climb on mommy. Okay, so let's start with the recipe that uses mayonnaise. The ratio for this recipe is 1:1, so it's really easy to remember. So you need about 30 grams of honey. Now, 30 grams of mayonnaise. Okay, now we're gonna add some mustard. Then you're just gonna add a little bit of apple cider vinegar, like half a tablespoon maybe. This is apple cider vinegar. Oh, careful, careful, careful. Okay. Mix, mix, mix.
Mommy, no.
Okay. For the other salad dressing recipe, again, it's a 1-to-1 ratio, but you're using vegetable oil instead of mayonnaise. Let's do 30 grams of this. We're gonna add 30 cc's of apple cider vinegar, 30 grams of honey. Then we're gonna add 30 grams of Dijon mustard. Okay, so this is how different they look. See, this is very creamy. This has mayonnaise. It's creamy and it's definitely thicker. Whereas this one looks more like a typical oil-based dressing because it is. Yeah, they're both really good. All right, Olivia, you want to try the dressings? I'll try that one, okay. You made a good dressing, Olivia. Good job. Yeah. The salads are ready. We're gonna add the mayonnaise-based salad dressing to this one. Now the oil-based salad dressing. This is the oil-based dressing, and this is the mayonnaise-based dressing.
いただきます。
どうですか？どうですか？
まあ向こうの味。でも日本のマスタード、日本のからしとは違うやろ。
Right.
甘いもんね。
Yeah.
甘酸っぱい。
Yeah. It is. You want to try this one?
あ、違うの？
Yeah.
なんかこっちの味の方が強いから。
Yeah. あ、そうか、柔らかく感じるよね、こっちね。Yeah. そうね。
どう違うの？
This has mayonnaise and this has oil.
俺はこっちかな。どっ
Which
ち
one?
かって言ったらこっち。
いただきます。
おいしいかな？おいしいかな？
懐かしい。
これは何？アメリカの典型的な
Honey mustard dressing. Yeah. This reminds me so much of America.
これたまに作っとるやつやろ？ドレッシング。
This is so good. Okay. いただきます。This is going to be a lot more mild because there's no mayonnaise. No, it's good. It's fine. It's品があるこっち。I definitely recommend the mayonnaise version. Taka prefers this one too. But if you don't have American mayonnaise, I mean, this will work as well. Okay, so that was a very typical American honey mustard dressing. If you try this, please send me a DM or hashtag me on Instagram or Twitter and let me know what you thought about it. Alright, so that's all for today. We will see you next time. Bye!